In today's video, we're diving into a troubling development in the case of Grammy-nominated rapper Lil Durk. Recent court documents reveal that an OTF member has allegedly implicated Durk in a murder-for-hire scheme, adding a new layer of complexity to this already serious situation. Lil Durk, also known as Dirk Banks, was arrested in Florida and is currently being held in Broward County Jail as he awaits transfer to U.S. Marshals. He faces grave charges related to a conspiracy to target Georgia-based rapper Quando Rondo. This alleged plot is reportedly a retaliation for the 2020 killing of Chicago rapper King Von, a close friend and collaborator of Durk's. The intertwining of personal loss and violence in this narrative highlights the darker side of hip-hop culture. What makes this case particularly shocking is the alleged betrayal from within Durk's own music group. Only the Family, or OTF, an informant, identified only as Jam, is said to have worn a wire for years, gathering evidence against Durk and others. This informant, who served 12 years for attempted murder, provides a direct link between Durk and the murder-for-hire scheme against Quando Rondo, whose real name is Tyquan Terrell Bowman. Claims have surfaced that Jam also implicated Durk in the murder of Rondo's cousin, Lil Pab, in revenge for King Von's death. This speaks volumes about the deep-seated rivalries and the cycle of violence that often characterizes the hip-hop landscape. The indictment outlines a chilling narrative where multiple OTF members coordinated the plot against Rondo. Evidence suggests that financial transactions linked to OTF were used to facilitate the escape of those involved after the attempted hit. These details point to a well-orchestrated plan fueled by personal vendettas and the tragic consequences that can arise from them. Additionally, the prosecution claims that the informant's recordings and the transactions related to the plot were pivotal in connecting Durk to the scheme. The alleged plan included promises of music industry opportunities and cash rewards in exchange for Rondo's killing, which some believe would settle the score for King Von's murder. King Von was not just a friend, but a creative partner for Durk. Their collaborations like the track Crazy Story and the album Welcome to O Block are cherished in the hip-hop community. The emotional toll of losing someone so close likely weighs heavily on Durk, and the subsequent retaliatory mindset reflects the pressures and expectations that can come with fame in this industry. Despite these legal troubles, it's important to acknowledge Durk's contributions outside of music. Recently, he was honored with keys to Broadview and Bellwood for his philanthropic efforts, demonstrating his commitment to giving back to the community. This recognition highlights a duality in his life and artist's striving to uplift his community while grappling with serious legal challenges. As this case develops, it raises essential questions about loyalty, betrayal, and the consequences of violence within the hip-hop world. The fallout from this situation could have lasting implications, not just for Durk, but for the entire OTF collective and the broader music industry. Thank you for joining us as we unpack this complex story. Make sure to subscribe for updates on this developing situation and more analyses on the intersection of music and social issues. Your support helps us bring you deeper insights into the stories that matter.